Hello friends, welcome to your clip repository. This man was happily sitting in his garden when suddenly... this guy shared hand sanitizer with his chimpanzee friend.
Let me see this. Oh. Hand sanitize. Wash the hands. Nope. Yep. There we go. There we go. Clean those stinky chip hands. Oh, does that smell good? You want more? Here you go.
This guy offered some water to a very thirsty rattlesnake. He accidentally walked into the shot of a girl posing at the gym, and look how nicely she handled the situation.
Just so you know, I'm filming this way. I don't. No, I don't mind. I'm just saying, like, do you mind?
Right. Well, am I going to ruin your video?
Oh no, you're not going to ruin it. It's okay. You can do your. Absolutely. I'm just letting you know.
This motorcyclist was cruising down the highway when he suddenly approached a traffic jam and had to slow down. But that won't stop him because he's about to, well, just watch for yourself. This owner built a cool snow tunnel for his corgi. These are the parkour speedrun challenges. Just look at the guy in the red shirt and how well he does on his way back. He's literally flying over the obstacles. This is what I look like practically every morning when I have to wake up early. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.